stuff, and subscribe while you're there. Here's what I can tell you about my kids. They look up people's channels. So who knows Lincoln Noel, the maestro, right? So HMP people will, yeah. Lincoln lives over in London, yeah, and is Noah's piano teacher. So he's got piano tonight. So he's Noah's piano teacher. And last year, Noah's 11, right? Last year, Noah couldn't have a lesson because Lincoln was at a something, and so his lesson was put off for a week and or a day or something. And Noah said, "Well, then I'll look up Lincoln's YouTube channel and I'll subscribe to him." And he says, "Seriously? He's got this many thousand views and not even 100 subscribers. What is wrong with these people?" So then he made Jack subscribe, and then he became the 100th subscriber. So he subscribed. And he goes, "Well, then I'll just like all of his videos." This is how a child thinks, right? You want to know why children are so good on YouTube? It's how they think. I'll subscribe to all of his videos, right? Lincoln must have had about 100 videos there. So he goes, this one, he goes, "Oh yeah, like, 4 likes, 4 likes." This one's had 1,000 views and only 4 people have liked it. What is wrong with these people? And it made me realize they're adults. Adults are not very fast to give love. If you want to know why you don't have what you don't, why you don't have what you want, you're not giving out love as fast as a child. Children only have to look at it. Like if Jack was here, Jack would go, "Right, who's got a YouTube channel? Does Kathy have one? Because she's wearing green. It's my favorite color." Well, then I'm going for her channel. Like I'll go for Paul Ramirez too, because he's wearing green. And Emily's got green in the background. So does Debbie. I'm going for those. I'll subscribe to them. Kids, just pick something they like. About what's on the screen. There you go. Melinda would be picked as well. That's how kids do it, and they end up with so much more. So if you give love, I think you'll end up with love as well. So there you go. Second tip for the day. Subscribe fast. That was a long answer to a very short point. Just subscribe fast.